Lord Chat. Milady Cakez. Pepe Neil homies.
Hi.
Good morning. Hallo. I thought for a second YouTube wasn't going. Bro, fix your hut? What's this got problem with my hut, bro? It's a nice little hut. What are you talking about, bro? It's nice. That's a lovely, nice hut. It's out of perspective? Only if you look really hard. What do you think is the problem with the perspective? It's this front part here, isn't it? But it's fine. It's fine. No, we're not getting sucked into this. It's fine. Art looking outdated? No. Mr. Aizen, hello, good morning. And Mr. Tubulit, good morning as well. Hello, you guys. Today is Friday. Ooh.
Hello.
The left wall and the front wall are basically pointing towards the same direction.
Cakez got 0 res, and that demo's never dropping.
Make a good game and don't mark
Tree's
it.
looking too small.
The money will come to
True.
you.
True, you're right. No, it looks like the house is going into the plane of the map. Shrinking towards the back, but the rest of the map is still the same size. That's perspective, bro. What are you talking about? It's perspective. But you're right, the trees are quite small. I need to make bigger trees. Bro, did you learn the OpenGL or Vulkan, or you master both of them? You never truly master something unless you spend an extraordinary amount of time in both. But I did learn both, yes. I spent 2 years in Vulkan and now I have about 2 years of experience in OpenGL.
Commit and
I
push
prefer OpenGL.
immediately, and then go back.
You need to change the houses? No, you need to change your attitude, brother. Someone's at my door. What's going on here? Why? Where's my phone, by the way? Where's my phone? Chat, where did you put my phone?
Sheesh, donations.
Donation.
Studio, don't even think about it, guys.
Mr. Cakez 77, the famous Twitch gentleman. The first months of your journey I thought you were kinda bad at programming and graphism, but months after it seems like you didn't give up, and it's quite impressive because I didn't know someone could be that retarded. Congrats.
Okay, sorry guys, I'm back. Whew. My wife tried to go outside in the stroller with Zoe, and she was crying all the time. Like, literally all the time. The merchant carriage is fine. The perspective of the huts in the building on the left is off. The hut is beautiful. Hey, I like your style, man. I like the Delta, my man. Thank you. Yeah, I like your style. These guys are just angry. True. True. Super cool is right too. The full-on drop shadow makes it look like the buildings hover over the ground. Okay, well, we're not working on this today. We're working on replays today, okay? And I promised that we're gonna take a look at Mr. Real Super Cool's emote. Okay? The wood looks off? No, you, sir, you look off. You need to change your attitude here, okay? Nothing looks off. Looks amazing. Mwah. Good enough for a demo version, Wouldn't you say? So over here we have... Over here we have a nice little emote made by Mr. Real Super Cool, and we're gonna save that and then upload this as an emote to Twitch. Thank you very much for your time and effort put into these emotes. I really appreciate that, Mr. Real Super Cool. And otherwise, you're wrong! But thank you. Appreciate that. So. You're welcome. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Cakes hop. Yeah, so I guess we'll call it hop, huh? Save image. I wonder why Discord is the only application that doesn't save the path to the file that you last saved. Why do I have to set the path every time I save a thing? Mr. Real. Super cool. Made a really cool emote. Save image. You were gonna have to save the path again. Okay, it's fine. Maybe to not leak your naughty folder? But you would have to navigate in the naughty folder for that, don't you? Okay, now there we go. Over here, and then chook. Settings. No, wait, it's not settings. It's VO rewards and then emotes. Yeah, I appreciate that a lot. Thank you, man. We still have quite a few animated emote slots open. And we just need 750 subscriber points to get one more emote slot. They really need to change this. I think I've never had more than 200 subs. And yet, it asks me for 750 points. These guys are nuts, I'm telling you. I don't know what they think. Oi, 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 oi. Oh, no, it's not this. It's this side. Deny. Ban him. Mods, you need to be faster. Can't be that I'm the fastest. Deny. 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 You need to be faster. You need to like schlitz. They need to be destroyed. Huh? Thumbnails? Not thumbnails, bro. Assets. What are you talking about? Streaming. There we go. Hop. Cakes hop 28. See like how easy this is when you have the same folder? Did we need to learn the library with the OpenGL? I don't know what that means, Mr. Study Yourself. But you need to learn OpenGL in order to learn OpenGL, yes? Oh yeah. Okay, so Cakes hop. I guess. Thank you, man. Cakes, one way you can fix the darken is the adjacent things, so we darken the adjacent things so we don't have anything to compare the perspective of the house with. This is a rough example. I mean, I see what you mean, but no, man. Like, we'll see, okay? We'll see how I do it. Scary eyes. Okay, guys, we have hop in the emotes now. Thank you very much, Mr. Real Super Cool. Anything I missed? Check here. No. Like most of the devs on YouTube make the game with a combination of SDL and OpenGL. Yeah, that's a fine choice. That's okay. You should do that if you can, because it's easier. Okay, guys. So today, what we need to do is build a replay system. And I thought about this a lot. And I think everything in the game can be done with my very basic game actions. All I need to do is record the game actions. And I should be okay. So for example, where do I have the game action? It's in the input, isn't it? I still need to clean up game actions because it's in input now, but I guess it's fine. We have primary and secondary actions. These are the mouse actions.
Am I so out of touch?
And then we have the unit actions and cancel and start.
Big tick support for 15 years. Cakez 7 hop.
Thank you very much, Mr. Zend. Appreciate that a lot. Subscribing with primers. Thank you, sir. So what we have as a game action, all we need to do is record that game action and then replay the actions depending on when they happened. So the moment when I return true, right? When I return true. What? If it returns true, I need to record it. Do I? I need to record it at the position when it returns true, maybe. Okay, let me think. So in here, in input, we have the game actions, the functions just pressed. Whenever we return true, I think this is when I want to record. That's the place. Because then something will happen in the game. So for example, wait, if I return true, I need to do a game action at that particular position. How do I invoke a game action even? Let's think this through, right? Let me see. Or maybe I need to have events in the game. Instead of the game actions, I need to have events. When did they happen? Let's think. I think I need paint for this. So. Hello there. Hey, Necropolis. How's it going? And hello, Peter. Good morning. Hello there, sir. Appreciate it. Welcome, you guys. There's a blue sky and sunshine earlier today. There was a snowstorm for 1 hour, exactly when I was grocery shopping. Was stuck in the Aldi parking lot, couldn't leave it. Not even with momentum. Wait, really? How weak is your car if you can't move through a simple snowstorm? Oh, like, huh? Really? It's crazy. Hello, bro. Hello there, Benox. Good morning. And Ulas on YouTube, good morning. Rear wheel drive. Okay, let's see. If we have a game action, like for example, we click the primary button. And it returned us true. Primary button. And it returned true. We did that. Let's say on 15 seconds into playing the game. We clicked the primary button. Then we obviously need to know the location. So like a position of that. And then that's what we record. We record that. And then when we want to replay this, all I do is click the primary button in that position on 15 seconds.
Am I so out of touch?
Yeah.
No.
Evans is gifting 5 sub to the community.
Bro! My man, Evans, thank you so much for 5 gift subs, bro. Big W, thank you. Appreciate the support, man. Holy. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Argument P, good morning. How do I click a button? How do I turn it into a button click? I need to set the mouse position to the actual position, and I need to make it so that the button is clicked. So I need to look up the primary button's hotkey and then set that hotkey to clicked. Press the left button on your mouse. We're talking about replay system. Let me see. Maybe I can do this immediately, right now. Let's do a git commit and push. From yesterday, git add. Edit game actions in place of keybinds
Gotcha, bitch.
to the game. Well, yeah. Git push. And then chat's mom is fantastic. Bro, how do you implement a feature instantly? Like you don't watch a tutorial like me. That's called tutorial hell that you're in, probably, if you want to implement a feature. The way I implement a feature and why I don't have to watch a tutorial is because the feature that I want to implement has never been done in the way before that I'm doing it right now. I'm probably the first person that is implementing that exact feature in a game. So I know that there won't be anyone online that can tell me how to do it. Number one. Number two is I started to avoid tutorials at all costs if I can, so that I experience the pitfalls of developing something in my game by myself. So for example, let's say I want to make an input system where I gather input. I implement that myself. I Google the necessary commands to do that, let's say from Windows or SDL, and then I figure out the rest so that I learn the most, because if you're making mistakes, which will happen when you do it this way, you learn not to do things, and when you learn not to do things, you grow faster, because the knowledge that you learn is more ingrained in your brain than if you were to just Google the answer, put in the answer, and then forget about it.
Gotcha, bitch.
I think you want the command pattern sorter like Andurido. No, I just need an array of commands. That's all I need. Like for example, here, if it's down, let's first build the data. The easiest is always the data. What do we need? We need a list of actions, an action log. We did that yesterday. We need to store the random seed. That's really important. Not sure where I put that. And we need an action. And that is then the frame counter. Or the frame at which the action happens. And then in the action log, we add actions. Let's do 100,000. It's fine. 100,000 actions. And this stuff right here, we need to put into the input. For now, because that's where it is easiest to put right now. So let me see, input structs. Shouldn't that be the tick? Yeah, it's the tick. It will be the tick, exactly. And we're gonna put another section here. Action log. I think all we need to do is just go into the input structure, put the action log in there. What is it? Just action log, and then whenever we start the game, in the main file we seed using RDTSC. Let me see, where's that? Seed. It's at the very bottom here somewhere. So, seed for random numbers, RDTSC. This right here, as rand, that's the seed for the random numbers. We need to put that, store that. Input. Action log dot seed is this. Unsigned int, okay. And then we seed the input action log dot seed. Wait, so what exactly is being worked on / made right now? Well, it's in the title, but I can tell you, we're building a replay system right now. I'm recording actions in the game, and then I'm trying to replay them. And right now, I'm building the bare bones. I'm building the data. So I have the action log here. I have the seed stored in the action log. That's the first thing. And now whenever I press a button, I need to add to the action log. Like for example, let's say we just pressed a game action. I need to go into input, action log, dot actions. And this is not supposed to be an... excuse me, I'm sorry. Also, it needs to have a vector to mouse position. Pretty sure we need that too. We need a mouse position. And so then in the actions... excuse me. Goodness. Actions. Dot add. We need to add an action. And that action would be... The action is... Well, the action actually. Oops. The action dot mouse position would be input, mouse position world, and the frame would be game state. Do I have game state? I don't have game state available to me. No, I don't have the game state available to me, and therefore I don't have the frame. Damn it. We need to have access to the game state. Satch. I need to have access to the ticks. How many ticks we had. Damn it. How do I get access to this? You don't have the game state, but you have the game state. The German state, lol. Advice for 14 years old learning C++ and Raylib instead of a game engine. You are the best, bro. Thanks. Oh, my man. Thank you very much. Advice for someone that's 14 years old that is trying to learn C++ and game development. Well, you make a game. I don't know. Make a game. You have Raylib? You have C++ set up? You can draw a quad to the screen? What type of game do you want to make? You just make a game, man. Yeah, I would advise you to explore. Do something you want to do and then make mistakes, bro. Make a clone of a game that you like, yeah. Like maybe Vampire Survivors. Maybe that's a bit difficult as your first game. Maybe Pong. Maybe Pac-Man. Maybe a Brick Breaker game. You have... Raylib gives you everything you need. Input, graphics, sound, everything you want. So now you can just make a game. And it doesn't matter how you make the game. My best advice for you is don't Google how to make the game unless you need to figure out how to do some math stuff or how to do some specific functions from Raylib. Like for example, you don't know how to do text in Raylib. I would Google that. I wouldn't Google how to make a Pong game in Raylib. You know what Pong is, hopefully. And if you don't know since you're young, then, well, maybe some other game. You know what game you want to make. Start with the character that needs to move. And then build that character. Now you have a character that moves. And go from there. Raylib allows you to load... Raylib allows you to... Raylib allows you to... Raylib allows you to load PNG files, so you can load sprites. If you want to do 3D texturing or games, you can do that too. Would be a bit more difficult because it involves a lot of math, but it's possible. Thanks, bro. You're the best streamer. Ah, man. Thank you. Thank you, very nice. True though. Yeah, true. Software and tower defense dev. All game devs evolving to TDs like crabs.
Am I so out of touch?
Mr. Amida, I appreciate it,
Mr.
bro.
Elmido is gifting 1 sub to the community.
So yeah, good luck, bro. And also, listen, my number 1 advice as well, do not listen to people telling you how to program things, okay? You find your solution, you will make mistakes, and let's say in 5 years you're gonna look at your code and you tell yourself that you're a terrible programmer back then, but you're gonna learn from this. You learn more than anyone else that is just reading tutorials online. Okay? Don't listen to people telling you what to use. Use whatever you want to use and make mistakes. Why aren't you... We do not want to read this. We don't have access to the tick counter, man. What do I do? I need access to the games. Well, the easiest would be if I just supply the int tick counter. Or the int tick. Right? And then we just supply the tick here. The frame or the tick is the tick, right? That would be the easiest. But that means I have to supply the tick to just pressed all the time. That's annoying. I can do that, but it's annoying. Cakez, I got a virus. Can you bless me? May the Puka be blessed by thine. By health shall return to you in due time. Shall you be resting until you be blessed and be fine again. And thine Twitch Prime shall be mine in due time. Amen. Okay. I don't like that. What am I gonna do? How do I get access to this? Why did I even need to put this here? Because I didn't have access to the key codes.
Gotcha, bitch.
And I needed to... Why did I have to put this here? Because I needed access to the options.
Am I so out of touch? No.
Key
Mr.
mappings.
Elmido is gifting
But
1
I have
sub
access
to
to
the
the...
community.
I can do that in the game, though. Why can I not do this in the game? Why can I not do this in the game? Shouldn't I be able to do this in the game? Mr. Amida, I appreciate the gifts up to... Lolboy, my man, thank you. Frozen Fusion, thank you very much for following. Cakez wishing that the input code was also game CPP. Well, the game actions is kind of game related, so I'm going to try to put this in the game. I think I can do this. Should be able to. Let's try to put this in a game. I should be able to do this, right? Let me see here. Game globals. Let's put this here. Maybe this works. Game actions. So why couldn't I do this? That looks okay. There was some reason for why I couldn't do this. I wonder why. UI needs to call consume just released. That's why. UI needs to call this function. Damn it. So UI needs access to this. And since UI doesn't know about the game at all, UI just exists. It only knows about input. So that's why I needed to put this in the UI. But then if I put it in the... No, if I put it in input, I don't have access to the game. Sad. Just merge UI.h into game CPP. No, I can't. The UI needs to... Well, I could merge UI into it, but man, that's kind of sus. Less files, less problems. Well, I could do this, yeah. Sure. But nah, bro, then no. Cakez, how long is your compile time right now with the single translation unit build? We could test. Let me see. Let me check. Well, it doesn't compile. It doesn't compile right now, bro, so I can't tell you actually. I get an error, so the linking part will not happen. Why don't you put UI.h in GameCpp?
Gotcha, bitch.
Let's think here. Maybe I put it in the UI. Well, maybe this is just UI code? Nah, that's not UI code though. Damn it. This is the... Wait, there's another key pressed here. Consume key pressed. So I have a couple of key presses in the UI code that we need access to. The UI needs access to this. So the easiest solution would be to put it in the input, but then the input doesn't have access to the game state. Unless I put the game state as a pointer to input. Which I can, I guess. Thank you very much for following, Mr. Usurus. Guys, I'll do a terrible design choice, but I guess it is how it is. I'm just going to put the game actions in input. Why is this complaining? Just pressed. And then in input, I'll just put the game state into the input structure. It is how it is. It's not the best solution, but it is how it is. You know, we'll just try it out. Do I even have access to the game state here? I don't even know what game state is, do I? I would need to include the game.h. Can I even do this? Do I have a cyclic? Bro. Damn, how many lines does your GameCpp file have? Just 29,000. Not too much, you know? Just a little bit. I'll figure out a better solution later. Can I build this? That's the question. UI.h, use of undeclared identifier, input. UI.h? Input. It's not defined? What? Wait a minute. Sorry. What happened? Why? I added this here. I do not understand what the problem is. What is the problem? I'm gonna revert this file. What did I change here? I added the action log. Well, that's fine though. That should be okay. I added the action log there. Let's just undo this. Okay, let's see. Does that still work? So if I include the game state... Wow, really? That's crazy. If I include the game state in input, I no longer... Wait a minute. Input functions, input globals, input data. This is config ini. Hello, idiot. Wait, I have something for you too. Hello. Timeout. This guy's not very nice. Then we put the action log on the input again. Good. At 29,000 lines versus 29,000 files in OOP. Let me check. I think YouTube chat didn't update. Actually, it did. Okay, good. Huh. How do I get access to... Do I really supply the key, the tick here? What do you guys think? Do we supply the tick? It would be the easiest. We just supply the tick. Fine, guys. We're gonna supply the tick. It's okay. For now, I'll figure out a better solution later. And then we do input action log dot actions dot add dot action is action dot mouse position is input mouse position world, and then dot frame, there is the tick. We'll do this to all the action logs every time. And so then we need to supply the int tick every time. Which is fine, you know, it's okay. Because I want to get something done, right? We can try to make the perfect design, but I feel like at this point, I'll figure out a better solution in the future. If I just keep pushing forward, we'll make the demo version a reality compared to having great code. Because ultimately, does the code need to be perfect? No. But we need to have a functioning game, and that's more important, right? So you guys can play this. Good. Okay, now this will cause a bunch of compilation errors. Howdy, Pi. Good morning, Mr. Pi Pi. Hello, Kagemi. Thank you very much for following, brother. Appreciate it. And you're sus as well. My man. Good morning, sir. Okay, so did we get a bunch of compilation errors, did we? Yes. F8. So every time we press an action now, we have to supply... we don't have the tick in the UI. Huh? Später. Ich mach mir die später. Ja, mach später, aber ich später. Ich will jetzt noch nicht essen, aber danke. You're welcome. Good luck with your dev. Thank you, man. I appreciate that, bro. Let me see. Ah, UI is the problem again, bro. I can't believe it. We have a problem here, bro.
Gotcha, bitch.
If I do a primary action, I need to supply the tick counter, which I don't supply to the button. No! God damn it! Wait. What if we just store the tick counter in the input? How many game ticks happened is stored in the input structure instead of in the game structure. Because I will always want to have ticks in my game, right? Yes. So we're gonna store the ticks in Godot. You get out of here with Godot, bro! Goodbye! Don't care. Brother, this guy be talking about Godot here, and we're doing C++. C++, okay?
Tangy identify as
No, don't care. No. Don't care if the woman is on the front line or not, okay? If she deals damage or not. No.
Dan, this is actually looking good.
Yes.
Easily a mixed
Cool.
review
100%.
/ mostly positive.
100%, sir. Appreciate that. Okay, we're gonna do this. Input in, no, the tick counter in the input. I think it's easy. Game.h. Game state. Don't mistype, man. Please. Thank you. Yes. Where's this? The game time. Tick counter real time. Ooh. I think we're gonna put game time in a game state, but the tick counter is input. Man, that kind of stinks, bro. Godot tag, by the way, banning people for talking about Godot. Real super cool. Why did you add the emote Godot to chat right now?
Cakez,
Can you please explain yourself, sir?
Tell me why you rage about Godot, but include it in the tag.
More viewers if I have Godot as a tag. That's the reason. There's more people viewing the stream, which is better, you know. Bigger number, better person, 100%. Yes. Well, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. I don't like it, but we're gonna do it. It's fine. Ooh. Yikes. This is bad, bro. What are you doing? We're building a replay system, sir. From scratch. So basically, I'm gonna record game actions. And I will replay the game actions from people playing the game. So when I put out my demo version, I can tell what the people are doing. And I can see where they get stuck. What they do, what they spend their money on, and stuff like that. In the game, of course, right? And then I will use that information to figure out where my design sucks and improve the design, of course. Hopefully you can make it better. That's the idea. True, I think Cakez is clearly is not using Godot though. GDScript is far more ugly than this. I think GDScript, by the way, I think it's fine. Also, the code does not need to be beautiful, my brothers. The code needs to work. You want games to work. That's all you want. Input, tick counter. Alright, so once we have the tick counter in here, my brothers, that's when we're going to actually record. We're recording right now.
Am I so out of touch?
But, you know.
No.
Iffy66 just
My man.
subscribed.
Thank you.
Big tick support for 11 years.
Wow.
Have you considered embracing the power of Godot? It's lightweight, open source, and perfect for someone with your unique game ideas.
I have, yes, sir. Hi, friend. Hi, Unhalted on YouTube. Good morning. We tried Godot. I got stuck on the UI. The UI made me want to quit Godot. If UI improves with Godot, we might make another game in Godot. But as long as the UI is there, absolutely not. You will not be able to bring me to Godot because of that. Okay, let's see here. So game state tick counter, that would just be input. Simple. First error solved. Input. It's really not used that often, guys. Look at this.
Am I so out of touch?
We just need to increase the tick counter every time we update the
Mr.
game.
Almeida is gifting 1 sub to the community.
Mr. Almeida, my man, holy shit, bro. I appreciate the big support, man. Thank you so much. What a giga chat. What a giga chat, bro. My brothers, that was easy, holy. Wait, that's it? Is this guy really that good at programming? Huh, my big game builds. So right now what happens, every time we do an action in the game, we will record the action log. And now what I want to do is build a replay system. So what we're going to do here is, whenever we... where's this? I think it's... Actually, is it here? No, it's not here. Let me find it. Here, return 0. Whenever we are done with the game, after the while running loop, I want to save the action log. So we're going to do write file action log dot binary file, and it will just be the address of input action log and then the size of action log. That's all we need to do. Hey, what's the problem, bro? Oh yeah, it needs to be turned into a character pointer. And that's all we need to do. And now, what I want to do next is, well, we already know that saving will work, right? What if we have an action log available to us? If we have something in the action log, I want to load it at startup. I have an idea. We're gonna... oh my god, that's insane. I have a cool idea. Watch. So we're gonna go into the game, right? And you know how we built the console functions? You know how we did this? When we had a void... Oh my god! Load and play action log, char pointer, action log. And then we do input, action log is, let's do char pointer data first, is read file. That would be the action log. We need a byte offset. Actually, we need the transient storage, which I guess is in a game state. Transient. Where's the transient storage? Don't I have this here somewhere?
Gotcha, bitch.
Ah, I just have it somewhere here. We need the transient storage for that. What's the problem here with this? Is this complaining? Oh yeah, we need an input file size. So, file size. Oh, well, guys, thank you very much for following. Mr. Impulse, I guess, and Mr. White Elite, thank you guys, and Isan Pro Player as well. Thank you very much for following, you guys. Surely, it will surely crash something, probably his soul. This should work if the game crashes to right. Yeah, I mean, recording the actions should work, yes. How to make a game in OpenGL? I completed the getting started of Learn OpenGL. Benny Vader monitoring, White Elite 90. This guy is a Benny Vader and we're monitoring him. And his first message is a Windows thing. When I sent my game executable file to my friend and Windows says the executable contains a virus, I made that. I know that it doesn't contain. I come from YouTube. Windows flags every executable not signed by Windows itself, by Microsoft, as a potential virus. You need to sign the executable. Steam does that for you. But if you do it yourself, if you build a game in a C++ executable, then these are not signed. And as far as I understand, you need to buy yourself the right to sign executables. And so that costs money. How do you make a game in OpenGL? Well, tell me what game you want to make, and you just make that game. Don't try to look at Google too much. The only place when you want to look at Google is when you want to learn how a certain function works. Like, for example, let's say you use Raylib and you don't know how to load textures in Raylib. Then you look up the function to load a texture. You use that function and you make your game. You don't Google how to make the game. You just make the game. Whatever game you want to make. Start with a character that moves. Very simple. Make a character move. That's all you need to do.
God!
Shouldn't you make sure that you have more than 6 active players before investing time into this feature, Cakez?
No, I'm sorry!
No.
What the fuck is that? Microsoft Office? I didn't want to start that trash. Jesus, I'm sorry.
I need to memcopy in here. Think. Memcopy into the action log, the data, size of action log. No, action log. And then over here, if data. We do this.
Gotcha, bitch!
And this is where we need another game state. Why is it complaining here? Oh yeah, into the address of the action log. That's what we need to do. Thank you very much,
Gotcha,
Magic, Sunshine, and PJs. Good morning. And hello, Collector of Stuff. Good morning. Are you using Snapchat APIs to wank to girls? If so, then I'm interested. I think this guy needs to get banned. Yep. I'll see you in 10 minutes. What the fuck? Just noticed that I unsubscribed from you. Strange. Maybe you just clicked the button twice. Are users allowed to opt out of sending this data? Yes, they are. I will ask for your permission first, of course. But I feel like that should be a given. Of course I will ask you. I will not collect data from you without you knowing it. That's against... I think pretty sure that's illegal. And since we do not want to go to jail, we don't do that. Okay, load and play action log. Now we need to set the game state. Game state. To game state. Replay. Replay. So now we don't have that game state, but that's what we need to set it to. And let's see, game state. Let's put that in. We can actually get rid of these editor states. No, I think. Don't need them anymore. So now that we have this, what else is here? Game state, edit level, background. Okay, we guess. Edit level, we don't need that, I guess. Do we? We need that, okay. JK then. Okay, we need those. Stealing ideas is also illegal, Cakes? I'm not stealing ideas, I'm getting inspired, that's different. And so you should probably take a 5-minute break to think about that. How do you install libraries in VS Code, and how do you do that with VC package? Bro, I did that such a long time ago. As far as I know, you query VC package for a given package that you want to install, and then when that comes back, you install that package using VC package in VS Code. But I don't use many libraries. You probably need to Google that, bro. It's been such a long time. I remember having a lot of issues with this, but it works quite well too. So yeah. So guys, the reason why I need this feature is so that I said this earlier. The reason why I need this feature is so that I can debug when people quit my game and why people quit my game and what they do in the game, so that I can have a first-person look at how people play my game and see the pitfalls. I want to test this. I've never done this before, but just thinking about this and not knowing whether it is useful or not will not get me anywhere. This is a waste of time. Most time is wasted just thinking about what I want to do. I'm gonna build a replay system today. It's already 50 minutes. We spent like 30 minutes on it, and I'm 80% done with the replay system. There will be bugs that happen, that come up, that I have to fix, but we are already very close to just replay this and see what happens. You know, it's not that difficult actually.
Bad
so how do we do this?
Check. React all day? Check. Zero progress? Check. Demo
it's
when?
massive survivor
Check.
bias. You're wrong.
CTP?
It's wrong. So listen.
Check.
Listen.
Cannot link raylib?
Yeah, okay.
Check.
No, I'm not
Blending
getting triggered by this. It's fine.
skills?
Case.
Check.
Game. State.
Cakez,
I
don't
will
think
prove
you
you're
need
wrong
this,
after I'm done
because your
programming
game
this.
is going to
Okay?
the roof. I believe in you.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Yes, you should believe
Gotcha,
in me.
bitch.
Trust me. Excuse me. Godot and Joya? Okay, that's actually a fake account. This is a fake account that needs to be banned right now. He created his account a minute ago, and 8 seconds ago he started following. No, sir, you will not do that. Go out. Tschüss. You don't even get to speak. I'm a Godot and Joya. I was subscribed for a few months. You just call it telemetry and hide the opt-out like the rest of the industry. Rage quit, pre-break, writing review. Anything that can be used to identify a user or scope down or a group of users, such as hair color, etc., is a GDRP subject. Anyways, let's move on here. So in the replay system, what we need to do is we need to go over the action log. We need to build a for loop. Well, no, we need to store... wait. We need to store... Well, how do we do this? Let me think. I need to know when I'm done replaying, and I need to store an index into the action log, where I'm at right now. Okay, let me see. So we need a static int index. Wait, no, that's bad. Maybe I need to just have a replay index in the action log. The actual action. No, that would be bad too. We need to have an index to go through the array, by the way. And that index needs to be reset whenever I load a new replay in. And the index can never go back. It can only go forward right now. How do we do this? We definitely need to also play the level. So we need to do everything that is in running level. We basically need to do the same code as in running level. But we need to do something in addition to that. So what if I do this? Let me test this. So in the replay state, right? I'll do the same thing as in the running state of the game. Well, no, I need to do this. That's... I guess the replay state is not a break then. Wait, actually, that might make sense. Let me test. If I'm in replay, I can still do everything that the game did. I just replay it and I don't touch at all. Okay, it will be quite fragile, but I think it will work. It doesn't matter if it's fragile. So all I need to do is go through the action log. We need to have an index though. How do I do the index first? Maybe in the game state, replay index. Whenever I load in a new replay, I set the index. Yeah, so let's just use the index, game state, action index. We use that. We don't have that, but we use that. Game state. Let's put it at the end. Int action index. Maybe we put it in input because it's right next. Maybe it's, yeah, let's put it into input because this is also where, let's see, action log. There you go, action index. And whenever in the game we load that, what is it called? Load, replay, or action? Oh wait, is it load and play action log? We set the game state and we do input. Action index is 0. We set it back to 0 whenever we load a new one. Okay, now that we have this, we can use the index to go through the actions. And whenever we have a matching frame count, we do the action. Okay, so let's see here.
Gotcha, bitch.
All we need to do is check if the... Or we need to do a while loop. While input action log dot actions.
Gotcha, bitch.
This game looks great, mate. What engine is that? I'm currently trying to make a game from scratch in Zig, but I'm thinking about switching to Godot. Demo 2828. T-Dog, huh? T-Dog is a new user in this channel that is a suspicious user or ban evader that wrote a message. Can you stop that, bro? Like, who's making these accounts? Stop making these accounts, sir. T-Dog? 2Dog? 69? Get out of here. We don't need you. How many accounts does this person have? White Elite? I made small games in Relic, but now I want to use graphics API like OpenGL. Like OpenGL, I'm planning to make a platformer. Oh, that's awesome. Good luck with that, bro. Mr. White Elite 90. T-Dog is Godot backwards, Cakez. This is insane, man. This is insane. Cakez, good job with the stream thumbnails. I was shocked to see that you're still able to put in some effort into your YouTube. With the compliment out of the year, out of the way, why do you need to replay? Why do you need a replay system? You don't even have enough gameplay to test whether it is working in the first place. Let me test it, you know? If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, bro. I want it. That's all. If the action index... Wait, we need to get the action. Wait, is it action? An action? Just action? We don't want to change it. So, and all we need to check is if the action dot frame is greater or equals to...
Gotcha, bitch!
I don't even have to look. This guy is called Godot Fan 77. Created his account on December 11 and is following. And it's another ban evader. Can you stop following on these accounts, bro? Go away. Stop making new accounts.
Fuck Cakez Bask.
Hello, Cakez. I wanted to say that I was inspired by your TD game and I made a clone in Godot. It took me 4 days and I think you should consider switching to Godot as it's... Okay, you guys are interrupting me. Alright, let's continue here. So, frame is input. Tick counter. So, how do we trigger an action? An action has a keybind to it. So, the action dot action. The action has a keybind associated with it. And we can find that keybind by going into input, actions, game actions. What is it called? Keybinds? No? Huh? Binds? What is it called? What did I call this? Chat, how did I call this? You remember? What was it? It's not keys. Monitors? Didn't I put this on input? Oh, I put it on options. Yeah. In options, it's called key mappings. Input options.key mappings on action.action. This should be called game action, by the way. Only game action dot keys. Well, I guess I'll just allow one, and then we don't have an array, but we just have one key code for now. Key. That will give us a bit of an issue. Input mapping dot key. There we go. Then we don't need a for loop here. Is this mapping even needed? Yes. Input mapping, and then we do the same thing here. That's the key code. That works. Someone just bricked their PC. Sudo rmrf, best advised. That's the worst advice. I still don't understand how you can just delete your entire hard drive in Linux without even them asking you like 10 times. Are you 100% sure you want to delete your entire hard drive in red with exclamation marks with a bunch of space on the top and on the bottom? You can reverse that now, so it's all good. Well, I couldn't. Okay? I could not do that. When I did this, I could not do that. And I had to redo an entire Linux tutorial, bro. There you go. Okay, so we have the key now. We got the key code. Eh? Key mapping. .key. Yeah, it's called .key. So now that we have the key code, we need to figure out how it was pressed. Shouldn't the action tell us that? Switch on the action, and then depending on what it was, we need to set it. Sudo is reason. ES reason. It's basically doing as a robot, as root, or prefer administrator on Windows, but you don't have to click yes or no. Yeah, all I'm saying is that the error, the message they ask you, it's like this, okay? So you have a bunch of text in the terminal, and then the message is like, yo, wanna delete C? And then it's like, yeah, yes, /n, no. This is what Linux gives you, okay? When they ask you if you want to delete your entire computer, okay, what they should give you is this. Attention! Wanna delete C?
Hello, Cakez.
Yes? No. That's what they should give you, bro. And maybe even this. This is what they should give you, okay? Then you don't press yes, you always press no. And then this can never happen, okay? But they give you this, oh yeah, casually. It's like, hey bro, you wanna delete your computer? Ah yeah, sure bro. Man gets distracted. Ooh, we just deleted this, almost. Okay, so how do we set this action? Switch on action.gameAction. Wait, no. We have the key, but we don't know if it's just pressed. If it was just pressed. If it was consumed. If it was released. So we need to store a little bit more data in the action log. So an action just stores that this game action happened. I can get the key from the game action, but I don't know what I did. So for example, is down. Did I store is down? I need to store like an enum or something. Or I need to get the entire key. Do I? I need to know whether I asked is down. Wait, what if I just store the key? Should I just store the key? And then assign the key? Would that make more sense? So for example, if I ask if a key is down, I store this key and then I just... The game will ask if the key is down. Yes, it is down. And then I set the position of the mouse as well by hand. Wait, Cakez deleted a C? Oh, that was long ago, yeah. When I was working on a Linux tutorial for the Celeste clone, someone told me to do RMRF. We had a bug in the code somewhere or in the console. And then someone told me to do that. And yeah, that deleted the entire computer, bro. Entire PC.
What would happen if you type sudo rm-rf/ in the Linux terminal? Well, actually nothing if you use modern distro with a foolproof rm.
Nothing if you use a modern distro, bro. Oh, really? Great. Anyways, let's just move on here. I think I'm gonna store the key. Of course. The key is not here. The key is here. Mm-hmm. We need to put the key in there too. Let's get the key. God, I love coding, guys. I just love coding. I love this. This is amazing. I think we're making really good progress here. Then all I need to do is just copy that if I have the key somewhere. So for example here, I'm just gonna put the key. Here. We don't even need the key code. Do we? Wait, do we need the key code? Consume. Do we store the key? So before the frame, excuse me, before the frame, on the frame that happens, we have that tick. We had the key that, there. I think it works. We need to store the key. And then we just add the key to this. I think it works. Let's test if this works. I don't know 100% whether it will or not. But I think it will. Was it Shade 11? No, Shade 11 wasn't that. That was some other person. That's no longer watching. Okay. So all I need to do then, in the game, whenever we have an action, we don't need to switch at all. All we need to do is, if it's actually the same tick, if it's the same tick, then we need to do input keys on key code is action.key. And that will record the key. And then while the, and then we do need to do action index input plus plus. And if this, and we need to do actually we don't need to continue. Else we break out of the while loop. So if we have an action on the exact frame, we do the action. If not, we break out of the loop because there has not been an action. Man, let's see if this works. Huh? Oh yeah, of course. Then this is just the key. Wait. Simple. Like that. Okay, my brothers, I think we are done. At least UI should be recorded now. How many of you think this will work? Let's make a poll. My brothers. /poll. Or let's link a prediction. Prediction. Will the replay system work on UI? Yes. First timer. No. Unfortunate. Let's do 5 minutes. Don't show this again. Okay, guys, what do you think? Will this work the first time on YouTube? We can do a poll too.
Gotcha, bitch.
For a small duration. Will the replay system work the first time? Yes, no. What do you guys think? I'm pretty sure recording will work, but I don't think replaying will work. So right now I'm... Oh, actually I forgot one thing, but that's fine. So what I need to do here is input mouse position world is action dot mouse position. I forgot that. No changes. Listen, we are literally in the middle of it. Okay, rigged? It's not rigged. It just happens, you know. No way, but I'm always bend the rules to still make it work the first try. No, if it won't work. All in, number 2. Well, I'll give you some time. I'll go to the bathroom. I'm replaying right now. I'm building this right now. I wonder if I have to do this earlier than switching on the game state there. I think I have to do it earlier. I think I have to do it in the UI phase.
Am I so out of touch?
Actually.
No.
Mr. Elmido is gifting 1 sub to the
It's
community.
not recording mouse move. I don't think I need that. I don't think I need that. I don't think I do. Unlocked rendering of the game. Hey, actually it's in the correct space. In the correct place. Well, it might actually work, since it's in the correct place. We'll have to see. Maybe it works. Okay, 1 second. Give me a second. I need to go to the bathroom. Cakez, Control Shift W. You're bad. Actually bad. You're fucking asshole. Fuck you, man! Just leave me alone and let me do this, okay? Fucking asshole. My god. I need to find this out today, okay? I don't need distractions. Experience. Whenever I finally have something visually pleasing.
Attention. Whenever I have something visually pleasing!
That burn proliferation. Not taken a not even close to be no. Ah!
What does the scouter say about his power level? It's over 9,000! Oh my god! What, 9,000? 1,000!
I haven't done anything!
So, Mr. Das sieht's mir das! Das sieht's mir das!
Compared to his shader, I'm pretty sure his one is way more complicated than mine, but we'll see. Oh, if it's 14 hours now. Install driver? Okay, fine, we'll try that. What does restart mean? My computer? Or Steam? This is ridiculous. Steam? I knew this was gonna happen! Chat, I think it will. Is it difficult to make animations on custom engine, or do you use a lot of design pattern? For example, when you open the box on the right, it makes it animation, not just pop up the image. So you mean this animation right here? Is it difficult to make this animation? Okay, guys, we gotta pause notifications because we literally have 50 random videos. Stop it! I don't have time to watch these all. So we're gonna do that later, okay? We are checking the replay system now. Alright. I think it will work. Even if there are, like, while I was on the toilet, you see this? Key pressed, released. Oh no, actually that's not it. Update UI, sorry. Where's this? Oh no, not input. UI. UI has some key presses and key releases. So not everything will work. However, the buttons should work. And I've only clicked buttons. So that should be fine. So if I click a button, that's a button here. And then I click again. That works too. So it should work. At least placing heroes and clicking buttons. So we'll have to see. Alright, let's close the game. That should make us... Not make us. That should write us a file called action log, which it did. And now let's see if it's loading in the action log. And switching on it. Let's see. It's called actionlog.binary. So F3. What is it called? Load or something? No, wait. Wait, load? Oh wait, I didn't put it in the console. Give me a second. I need to add this. Load and play. Need to add that to the console. But that's not part of it, right? The console stuff. Let me see. Console. Yeah. No, so many code changes. No, this is I can't even, bro, I can't even test it if I don't have it in the console. What are you talking about, bro? This is not actually something that will make or break the replay system, but we can't even test it if it's not in the game, bro. What are you talking about? Someone should ban this guy. Okay, let's see. Load and... Shit. Let's mark this here. Alright. No. No. Okay. Chat. Chat. It's time. Cakez, look how fast they respond. What? Cakez City Keylogger. Hello. Thank you for letting us know about the potential keylogger in the game. We'll review this whenever the developer uploads a new build and suspend their account if necessary. What are you talking about? I don't have a keylogger in my game. Whenever they upload, so never. What are you talking about? I will make a game and upload it, okay? We're really close to it. That's not a keylogger, bro. I'm not keylogging. I'm logging game actions. A game action is not a key action. I'm not logging which key it is. What are you talking about? This is not a keylogger. Shit. Okay, let's do it. Click. 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 Let's see what happens. Close the game. Start the game. F3. Load. Action log. And it's called, what is it called? Action log.binary, I guess, right? Action log.binary. Ooh. 70% on YouTube say it won't work. Man. Mem copy. To the action. We have the seed here. Okay. Count 0 at them. Count 6. Count 6. There's no way. Oh, we have a problem. We need to set the tick counter. We need to set the tick counter to 0. Oh, frame is minus. Wait, we don't have an action yet. Frame 447. We just need to set the tick counter to 0, but then it will work. Okay, wait. Wait. I want to test this. Believe us 1. Cakez framework. Where's this? Action log. Let's copy this in a folder where it will always work. We can always get it back from here. This is it. Come on, tell me that works. Wait a minute, maybe that too? Let's test. Maybe I need to do some more stuff, but let's see. Maybe this works. Stop moving goalposts! Wait a second, okay? Just a second, you know, bro. Just a second. Okay, so here we have the action log that we stored earlier with 6 actions at the bottom. And we're gonna copy that in here. Replace. And now we're just gonna do F3, load, action log.binary. Hey, not everyone can do it on first try, okay? Not everyone can do it. Huh. Why not? What's the problem, brother? Huh? Why? Wait. It breaks out of this. And then I guess it changes the game state or something? That's odd. Okay. Game state replay. Update editor. Oh, it updates the editor. Whoops. And then breaks. There's error messages. And then whenever we get back to update game. See? What does it do? But I just love how slowly this scrolls. We're still in replay. Ah, it's running level, because it's not initialized. The game's not initialized and then it goes back to running level. Load game, we don't need to do that. Do we need to do something here when it's not initialized? I don't need to do this, no. So I don't need to uninitialize the game. Okay. Yeah, well, I lost, I'm sorry. I didn't do it the first time. But okay, so you guys, you can pay out the non-believers. I'm sorry, chat. I lost. Didn't work the first time. However, we are close. It will definitely work the next time. Okay, I promise. It will work now. It's not uninitialize it. Then it should still work. 15% profit. I think now it will actually work. No cap. I'm confident. Wait a minute. We're almost done. Almost. Yeah, I think I have it now. I can't see your I can't play the notification because it's paused, but I appreciate that, Mr. Almeida. I'll play it in a second. I think I have it now. We just need to have the while loop here. And then replay the actions. I think that's all we need. Wait. Wait a minute. We just need to set the action index to this. And then maybe put a boolean here somewhere. But it would constantly replay these values, so that's bad. So we need to have an identifier then. So that would be input, replay is true. Which we don't have. Bool replay. Bool replay is false by default. We set replay to true here. Huh? Bool? Is this complaining? Why? And then input. Action log. There we go. If. While input replay. And this. While we want to replay and that. If not, once we are done. I need to ask. Wait, let me think. When do we want to stop replaying? We need to stop replaying once the replay is done. What do we do? What is the identifier? The action index is greater than the count. Maybe this. While we want to replay, we need to check, we need to have a break condition. And if we are on the exact frame, we do the input. Otherwise, we do nothing. I think that might be it. Okay, got to go. We'll replay this tomorrow. You will replay this, me replaying replays. That's gonna be a great time. When you exit to menu, want to play replay after the last action. Okay, let's test. Copy this over here. And then do load action log.binary. It's a while loop. It's a while loop. It's an endless while loop. Okay, if we want to replay, we need to have an if here, and then we need to have a while here. Then we need to break out of while. Wait. If we have a frame, well, we just break out of the while. I think that I forgot the break here. I think that works still. We said replay defaults, and down there we just break. Okay, I got it now. While code equals shit, no demo. So, bro, right now I have spent an hour and 40 minutes of stream time minus talking. So it's about 30, let's say an hour of working time on this. And you're telling me that an hour of working time is too much time spent on a replay system that might potentially help me understand why people quit my game? Do you really want to say that right now? So, is that what you're saying? Is this what you're actually trying to say right now? Because you will not release the game? You're wrong. I've released the game before. I will release this game. What makes you think I won't? Give me a reason. When have I misused your trust, or when did I disappoint you? You put trust in me, you got disappointed. I'm gonna tell you, never. Because you implement useless feature? That's not a useless feature, bro. It's not a useless feature. But Cakez, if people quit the game because the HUD's perspective of odd, what is off? They won't. Okay. Stop talking about the HUD, bro. We don't need that right now. All right, let's see. Action log is in. Let's load and replay the action log.binary. And this time, I want to see if it works. Aha! Do we have the tick counter? No, input tick counter is 0. Do we ever go in here? Why is it? Why is the input tick counter higher? Ooh. I don't know why that is. That's bad though. It skips a couple of ticks. That should never happen. I wonder why that is. Oh, what? Oh no. I'm stupid. Needs to be the other way around. Okay, that's the last error that we fixed, and then you got this? Yeah, thank you, Artisan Mage. I think I have. Is the replay system based on inputs, or is it replaying the entire state? It's replaying based on inputs. If that's not allowed, then I will store game events. But your simulation probably is not deterministic across machines. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe it won't be. Replay system will be sick for balanced tests. You can have a bunch of tests set up, beat level 20, then rebalance the red HP. See only if you only get to level 80 now. I don't think that works. Because the replay system will just replay the input. Okay. Are you kidding me? Ah, there it is. Okay. Not sure if you caught my message from yesterday. My question was, will there be a disclaimer for logging? Yeah, I will ask people if I can do this, of course. There was a quick replay. Well, it did do the button. It sets the key. I wonder what it does. Let's see. Let's just see what happens. So we have the key here. It says just released. Aha. I get it, because I didn't store. I think it works, guys. I just didn't implement UI clicking yet. Let's see. Let's go over here. Consume. Yeah, tab. Let's not do tab right now. And shift. If we have an active input, if the left key is down and we didn't press, if the left key is not down, active, I don't think that does anything. Do I have the permission to reward people that voted no? You promised them? Yes, yes, yes. It didn't work. Is down. Action primary. Just released. Action primary. There you go. Huh? Don't I have just released? I do. Then what's the problem? Is it too far down for it to be implemented? It's an input though. What is the problem? Undeclared identifier just released, but I have is down. And how come? Oh, I see. Just pressed. Consume just. I see. Just released is. I think all I need to do here is just released, and then in the UI that will work. Okay, I added in this yesterday, the released, but I didn't add in the just pressed. Consume just pressed, and then that would be the action primary. Since I wasn't recording this, it didn't work. Do I have any other just pressed or released? I don't think I do. Let me see though. Huh? Backspace. Oh, that's the input field. Yeah, I'll do that later. The input fields. All right, let's see if this works. We need to make a new replay and then test if the replay is behaving correctly. Okay, so we click the button. We click this button. Click here, click here, click here, click play. And then maybe we press the space bar, but I don't know if that works. Press the space bar. But I think the space bar doesn't work. But okay, so that's the replay. And now when I start the game again, I need to action log. I need to save that here. And then I want to replay this. It clicked the mouse, but not in the correct position. It clicks the mouse. You see this? It drags the mouse. Literal keylogger. Sure, we see it. I didn't see nothing. Look. It clicks the mouse. but it doesn't move the mouse in the correct position. So what do I do here? Maybe I shouldn't log these actions. I should rather log game events, like transition to level, that's a game event. Transition to town. Open up skill tree. Close skill tree. Is this legal? Demo delayed by 1 month because of this. Place Tangy at position. Will this work for people with different resolutions? Yeah, because of the game position, the world's position. Hello, Spacefit Cutie. Can you make the player 1, please, and thanks? Can you make me player 1, please, and thanks? Can I make you player 1? Is this legal? What does the data structure for the action look like? I'll show you. Just link people to a questionnaire. This is not really worth it. Bro, what are you talking about? It's not even 2 hours yet. It's like 1.5 hours of time. What are you talking about? You think... I don't understand the sentiment. There's literally people in the AAA industry that spent 4 weeks coding a threat meter on an enemy. And I spent literally 1.5 hours on a thing that I think is really cool, a replay system. Cakez, it's not worth it. Man, I'm hungry. Actual food. $1.5 hours so far. Yeah.
I don't get the error.
I have to skip the
error. I did get the error yesterday, yes.
Mr. Amida, can you help me out? Can you refund Rico's? Can you refund Rico? Please? Can you refund him the random videos? Till here. I can't play these all. I'm not gonna play them all, no. It's too many. Will take too long. I refunded all of it. Okay. Weapon at risk! JK! Hey! What? How? Okay, thank you very much. Shit, appreciate what do I do? Thank you very much for following, my brother. Appreciate it, bro. Can I close the door? No, not this way! Hey! No, not this way! This is no way, bro! Give me a second. I have an idea. We will switch this to events. I cannot log your input, guys. Logging input might actually be against the TOS. So rather, we will log events. So what we're gonna do here is this. Hey, why did it stop? Sorry about that. Shintai, thank you very much for subscribing. Am I so out of touch? Brother. Appreciate it.
Shintai84 just subscribed. Big tick support for 5
Implemented
years.
your first speedlogger. Can't wait to run the game auto-clicker.
Keep it up.
We're gonna do it differently.
At this point, I think we should reward the people that voted no.
We're not gonna do an action log. We're gonna do an event log.
People that voted no. You promised them. It did not work first try.
And we can put it
like
entirely in the game.
ST try.
Yeah.
You should not listen to the haters. You should
Excuse
work
me.
on all the good stuff. You always
Just
do
wait.
the right thing, like the decision to delay the demo. We will wait.
Just wait.
It is more fun this way seeing you rage Kappa.
Just wait. Driver? Okay, fine. We'll try that. What does restart mean? My computer? Then I don't even need the tick counter. Or Steam. Can put it back in the game. Just wait. This is ridiculous. Steam? I knew this was gonna happen! Let's put the action log
Gotcha, bitch.
in the game.
Gotcha,
And call it event log.
Gotcha, bitch.
Game event logging data. There we go. We put it here. Alright, now we need events. And then that's not an action, but it's an event. A game event. Let's call it enum event. Start level, start round. Event play 0. What do we have? Event play 0, event open skill tree. We definitely have to open up the skill tree, but let's start slow, okay? Start level, play 0, start round. And then also event start level. Actually, we have that. Event go to town. There we go. And then over here we have the event.
Gotcha, bitch.
We call this an event. So then that would be the event ID. And then an event has an ID. Well, let's call it event type. It doesn't matter, right? Event ID, something like that. Now we have the event. What do we need? Depending on the event. So for example, events go to town, we know what to do. Event start level, we know what to do. Placing a hero, we need to know which hero. So we definitely need to know hero type ID. Hero type ID. If we do that. Event start round, simple.
Gotcha, bitch.
Guys, this thing is lagging. And then we have an event log, which needs to store the seed. I'm pretty sure we need that. We need to have the seed, do we? Yeah, because then the game behaves the same. And then over here we have event. Events. Okay, so now that we have the event log, we want to invoke events, of course. And we'll put that here, I guess. Switch on the event ID. We need to put in a const reference to the event. And if we start the level, we transition to level. Oh my god, I programmed all of this!
No.
Mopnips just subscribed.
Yay!
Big support for 1 year.
Barman! Thank you very much, Mopinits. Mopinits. Appreciate the support, brother. Aha. So the events need to be at the very bottom. Invoke event. That's annoying, man, brother. Boy. Welcome, sir. I appreciate the support, man. Thank you. Huh. Fine. Where's transition to level? Here. The very bottom. Fine. Let's do this. It needs to be... It needs to be... in the unlocked rendering. Guys. Over here. It needs to be here. We don't need to invoke events. We can just switch on the events here. Then we don't need a function. We just switch on the event ID while we replay that is in the game state. There we go. And then we need to get events from the event log, which we'll put in the game right now. See how fast that is? Obviously, we now need to store the event log, not all of this data, in the game.h. Let's put it, I don't know, maybe not here. 75% probably. Cakez, are you 80% done? Are you still 80% done? Just wait. You're making jokes right now, but just wait. You know, when this works, you will be like, oh, what? Just wait. You'll be pork champing out the wazoo. Because you can't see it right now. You cannot see it, but I can. Just wait. Trust me, bro. Holy, do I have many structures. Put it here. Event log. There we go. I like this more with the game state tick counter. Nice. I like it. Cakez, is it okay to keep it as a binary file? Maybe users want to read in plain text what they're sending you? We'll see. I don't know yet. Hello there, mister. Hello, Kitty. Hello, Kitty. We are right now building a replay system. Transition to main menu. Do we need that? Don't know if I need this. We'll have to see. Right now we are building a replay system. We're getting that. That is an event. Event. Which is the game state. Event log. Dot events on the input. Game state. It's called action index. It should be called event index. God, I'm so good at programming. Why is transition to level complaining? Oh, I need the level name. Okay, so then that would be event.level name. And since that is a character pointer, events need to store them properly. So I need to have a character, level name, max path. There you go. Wait. Wait. Max chars level name. What's the problem now? It's annoying, but okay, fine. We cast this to a char pointer. Should be fine. Okay, cool. And I think this is all we need to do for now. We just need to log the events. So let's swap here. And then, oh, it's called action log, right? So we need to call this differently. Load and it's called event log. And then this will be event log. And it will store the event log right here. Load the data. And then there will be an error here. It's called event log now. I love this. Cakez, I think to truly see what a player does should take screenshots every 5 seconds and think you should call it Cakez to recall it 70. Just wait, you guys. You're non-believers, it's fine. Transition to level. Let's go in here and then log this event. Whenever we transition... Oh my god, I already did this! You guys, I already did this in the past. Holy.
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh, we need to copy into the level name. Oh yeah, and we also need to have the tick, which is game stage. Tick counter. Sorry. Oh yeah! This is insane! Oh, look, I love these moments. Can someone help me with the mod? I'm thinking about DBZ Sparking 0. It's for C++. I need to update an SDK. I'm pretty sure someone in chat might be able to help you, bro. Event. Check. And then over here we have the level. Okay, let's see. Ooh, we need the event. Event is this. I don't think we can put the thing in here. Man, it's taking shape. I love this. Then we add the event. And then we do event dot level name. We mem copy into that. Level name. String length. Level name. And then we add that event. Okay, so now I logged this event. It won't work, by the way. The main.
Gotcha,
I will probably do a console command for this now. Platos, thank you very much for following. And D and Din Papa, thank you guys very much for following. Welcome, you guys. Bro, just use the tagged union for this.
Gotcha,
I will use a tagged union for this. In a second. We have this now, and it should be called event log. There we go. Now that we have this, when we load, we also need to do srand. Can I even do this? Can I do this here? srand can be called here? Really? I have a question. Can someone explain srand to me when it comes to compilation units? I'll show you. So what I have in my game is I have an executable that is loading in a healer is healing DLL. Enemies. No, she's not. She's not healing enemies. Oh god, she is healing enemies. And I call srand.
Oh no, it's another bug. Why are you doing that? Are you stupid?
I'm using srand to randomize, to create a random seed. Now when I call srand here, does that affect the DLL? I call it here. Is it affecting this? Because if it does, then I have a problem. Because right now in the DLL, I'm calling srand when I load my seed. I'm calling srand here when I load my seed. When I do load the replay. Are these two separate entities, or what happens here? Might depend on how you link the standard lib. Don't use srand. You listen. So you do what people often do on the internet is they say don't use it, but you don't explain why. So now I have to piece together why that is. You should tell me why I shouldn't use it and what the problems are. Don't use a computer, make your own silicon. srand has its own implementation. srand makes no guarantees. My brothers. Does it really matter? When it's in the... When you use srand, it does it in the global context, the DLL loaded into your context at runtime. So yes, okay. So, and what if I call srand in the DLL? Is it still in the global context then? It's fine for quick RNG, but not for deterministic results. It affects the other, okay. I can give you my version, it's the best by far. We'll have to see if I run into issues with srand, guys, but I don't think I will, cause picking up a chest will be an event, guys. So drop chest will also be an event. So it doesn't really matter whether the random number generator is even a problem or not. The random number generator only runs on drops, and if a drop happens that is not picked up, I'm just not gonna pick it up. I will create an event log that makes drops happen, and I will also create an event log that makes picking up drops happen too. So whenever the user picks up a drop, I know that they picked up a drop, and if I drop more items than the user then I'm just going to attribute that to different random number generators. Or when I replay, I just don't use the random number generator for drops and I disable that. The only random number generator that I use is for particles that are not important. For numbers that are not important, that's just UI. And then for gold drops, which is something that I'll script anyways. So I'm dropping how much gold. Yeah, it doesn't matter really. I think it doesn't matter, actually. Anyways, let's see. So now, when we load the replay log, event log, we need to also do the unlocked rendering. We need to replay the game. So this is replaying the game, and that has to be done in the simulate function or in the update function. Has to be done here. And actually, here. It will probably only run. Well, it will be here.
Gotcha, bitch.
We'll see. Probably mostly replaying the level, but let's see if this works. Game state, event index ++. We have done an event here. We have implemented an event, and in the while loop, if game state event index is greater or equal to game state event log dot events dot count, then we break out and we set the game state replay to false. And if we don't have thing here else, if we are not on the same tick, then we break out as well. So now we should be able to replay events, and we are logging the first event to the event log, and we can get rid of the action log that's no longer needed. And now we have replaced the action log with the event log, and let's see if we can transition to level. Let's start the game. Now we have transitioned to level. We close the game. It should give us an event log here somewhere. There it is. Let's copy that in here, and then we're going to reload this. Let's see. Load. Oh wait, F3. Load event log.binary.
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh, really? Why? What file is it reading? Load game background. Huh, interesting. Why is the bump allocator full? Pushing modal. Is this from the other one? Interesting. Agree weather. Thank you very much for following. Interesting. In transition to level. Huh. Interesting. It called transition to level. But maybe the level name is not correct? Campsite Crossroads? I think that's fine. Level name? Maybe that's... Wait, it's the background though. Okay, wait. Let's test this again. I wonder what happens. Event log instead of event log binary. I probably should do something that is less annoying right now, which is save event log. Let's see, load, and it should be void save event log, char pointer log name. And then we'll just write the file there instead of in the main file. Because then I can call this from within the game and it's completely unrelated to the main. If log name, we're gonna write fire using the log name. Because I'm tired of having to copy over the same event log every time and it writes it every time. It's really annoying. So we're gonna do save event log and then load and play. For that, save event log. There you go, that's better. Someone on YouTube has a genuine request. Not sure if they are trolling. Cakez, oh sorry. I think SRAND has different variations of implementations, so it depends on your operating system. The same seed will be different on different operating systems. See, that's what I thought was, yeah. Disable the clips, you would rather much use it there and eat. How will it work if the player hides the game but not closes it? In that case, it's a keylogger. If the game... So I'm logging events now. So that is not a keylogger. There's no way this is a keylogger. An event in the game transitioning to the level has nothing to do with input at all. So we should be totally fine there. Okay, that's completely different. Let's see here. Now, I want to do play and then do F3, save, event log dot.binary. Now, do we have a new event log here? 308. Okay, so we saved that. Now, I want to do this. Load event log.binary. It works. Cool. This is insane. We are getting somewhere. Now the bump allocator is full. I wonder why that is. It might, maybe it's because I'm overwriting the game state. So let's see. I think I'm loading in too much data.
Thank you Firepower for 500 bits. Cheer 500 recently found your YouTube and you've inspired me to make my first game.
Bah man, that's big W. Big W. What type of game you making? Thank you so much for the support, bro. Big W. Giga chat. Yeah, you go make your first game, bro. Sir. Let's see here. Save event log, reload. Let's see what happens here. Maybe I copy too much. Maybe I shouldn't do SRAND. Let's not do that. I'm setting the tick counter back to... Yeah, it should though. Guys, this is crazy, man. It's lagging. VS Code. Why? He also inspired you to never release it? Maybe if I keep watching? Just wait, you know? All of these jokes.
You know, chat, you know what's the sad thing, actually? All of your jokes about me not releasing my game, they will be gone in like a month or two. So you can say goodbye about that to that soon.
Wait, there are jokes? Yeah. So, what do you guys say when my game is finally released on Steam? When the demo is on Steam, what will you guys say then? I'm interested in that. 1 to 2 months? No. I'm actually really close. I'm really close. There's not much left. For those of you who are wondering what is left to do for the game, I have it here. To-do list. We are currently working on this part right here, the statistics. Add actions, place hero action. You see that? This action, we did that. Basically, we did do the actions. We have done this. And then we have map keys to actions plus UI. We have done that too. We have done that to record actions to binary files and to server. This is what we're doing right now. We have a boss. We're getting close. We have 20 rounds, 21 rounds. So we have about half the rounds that we need. I didn't just want to do rounds though, because I think it's boring. So I'll sprinkle in some rounds, debugging and testing later. And then we still need to do the tutorial. Which, you know, some part is already implemented. And I think, was it round, I think it was round 6, by the way. So that's done. And I still need to do some stuff here. But you see this? We just need one more staff, a couple more items, couple more abilities, keep 3 abilities. So basically, this is, by the way, this is done. I can make this a bit better, but this is done already. Range our balance abilities, still have to do that. So it's not that much. Change taunt, I'll not do this, I'll omit this. So that will be a question mark. First ability, first ability for defender, global user ability. Yeah, well, I think about that. This is something we think about. You see this? There's not much left to do. Not actually that much left to do. I follow the list, but loosely. Because I don't like locking myself in. Okay, so we have to find out why the data changes and is full. Because I think it shouldn't. Why is the bump allocator full? For some reason. If I press F3 and I load, and then the event log.binary file. We have the data here. The event log right now has a seed and nothing. Then we copy the data. File size, how much is that? Is that the same size? Can I see the size of here? Wait, it does, show me. Yeah, 1406. Wait, maybe transient storage? Used? No, that's fine. That's okay. Thank you, Mac Attack, for following, man. Time, T, toe, potato, thank you very much for following too. 14 megabytes. Yeah, the event log is big, so I can log as many events as possible. There could be like a huge event log. Okay. Maybe it changes something in the game state. Transition to main menu. No, it just sets it to the main menu. That's fine. And then over here we have transition to level. I wonder what the problem here is. So now it loads the level. What is the level name? Campsite Crossroads. That should be fine. And then it loads the game background. Which I guess it already did. No? And then it says store level background in there. To mem copies the level name into the event. It clears all active modals. Initializes the level. And then it transitions to level again. Why is it transitioning to the level again? It's breaking out of the switch. It called... Something is burning!
Gotcha, bitch!
Chat, someone wants a carrot? Yeah, but I guess someone forgot the carrot on the stove. Yikes. was not me. Just the fire in the garden. Thank God it was just a carrot. You're the fire today. You're on fire today, Cakes. Keep up the good work. Thank you. I do not understand what the clown face is about, though. So why is it transitioning to the level twice, though? Because the tick counter is the same? Ah, I forgot. No, I didn't. I did event index ++. Shouldn't it do this? Wait, if I do event index ++ here, it's 2. How many events do I have? 2? Start level. How is the counter 2 though? Hey? I have start level twice? That's odd. Okay, let's see again. Save event log. I want to see what happens here. Maybe I did something wrong. When I click this, it transitions to level 1 time. And then I do F3. Save event log. Event log. Was it binary? So then, what does the event log look like? I have 1 element there. Yeah, and when I memcopy into the event log, it should just be gone. Right? And then I do load. The data. Wait. Let's see here. The event log has 1 count. Okay. Now the bump allocator is full for some reason. Hey, when it's reading the file from loading the level. How many times does it transition? That's odd. Really odd. Let's test this again. I think what it does, it's calling this multiple times. Switches on the event. Transitions to the level. Does event index ++. Now it's 2 events. How is it 2? Huh? What? Ah, I know why. I see. Because I'm saving the... No, it shouldn't. Your code formatting is very clean. It satisfies my OCD. Thank you, man. Thank you, Gray. Gandalf Gray. Appreciate that a lot. You're always on here coding, take a break? No, I want to make a game, bro. That's what you do when you make a game, you code. Why is the event log 2? Because I see. I need to have an event log and a replay log. That's why. I get it. When I go into the event log, it adds another event to the log to transition to the level. And then when I transition to the level, the next time I'm in the level, I'm transitioning to the level again because I'm logging the event and replaying. So we have an event log and we need to have a replay log. Or when we replay, we don't add to the log, to the event log. When we are replaying, we don't add to the event log, but we'll just do that. Chat being nice to you? No way. That's like finding a unicorn. Hey, who cares? Thank you very much for $5 on YouTube, man. Thank you so much. Very much. What a giga chat. No, we're gonna do it like this. Because it's 14 megabytes. Makes the game really big. I'd rather not do that. I'm just not gonna record. So if we are replaying, then we don't log the event. If we are not replaying, we will log. Otherwise, we don't. What? Cannot compute. Bro! Holy shit, man!
Space Fit.
This is a giga chat move?
Thank you for $6.
I have no idea what to say, man.
YouTube.
Space Fit. Thank you so much for the $6 too, man. Holy. Thank you very much for the support. I mean it. Appreciate it. Big W. Come on, guys. Big W in chat. Well, who cares? Big W. No, Space Fit. Listen, anything, bro. This is insane. Anything, bro. I'm telling you. Anyone. That goes beyond supporting, of course. Oh, hey, Def Spudges. Thank you very much for the raid. Good morning. You just joined right. You joined at the right time. I made a replay system. I can transition into the level. Watch.
Space Fit. My man. Thank you for $101. Twitch greater than YouTube.
What? On Earth? 101? Bro! Holy! Seems like who cares about cakes? Yeah. I'm a girl though. Wait, my lady? We had that before. My lady! Sounds a bit weird though. Not gonna lie. I don't know what to say. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Money laundering? You can launder all your money here. That's fine. Thank you very much. It means a lot. He's married though? Yeah, but I mean, like, we had this with, shit, I'm not gonna say it. I'll get in trouble if I do. Thank you very much. Watch, guys. It works now. Load. Event log.binary. You guys ready? It's gonna transition to the main menu and transition back to the level. Watch. You ready? Oh my god, it works! It worked! Oh, I could do this again. Hey, did you see that? Look at this, boys. And now the cool thing is, I can decide which events we log. So to make this 100% clear, what I just did is not an event. No, sorry, it's not a keylogger. Correct? This is not a keylogger. Okay, instead of Rico, we're gonna get rid of Rico because he's just lying. This stream seems to freeze. Guys, am I lagging? Should be fine. I don't think I'm lagging. Let's see. Stats. No. I have like 300 missed frames. Rendering lag and then encoding lag. But internet is fine. Wow, I have 0. Like here. Yeah, maybe you need to reload. Events can be mapped back to keys. No, they can't. Also, I'm not tracking that. So anyone could have a different key set up for that. It's just literally transitioning to the level is a button click. So I'm not tracking if you click the button, I'm just tracking if you go to the level. And you can go to the level from here too. So I don't even know what the original state was. I just know that you go to the level. I think that's fine. There's no way this is not fine. You can't tell me this is not fine. This should be fine, right? I eat turkey bacon for breakfast and I'm normal, I swear. Man, you're making me hungry. Girl, you're making me hungry, okay? Can you stop that, please? Hello, Cakez. Your game looks really cool. Oh, thank you, Alta Game Dev. I appreciate that, man. I wanna eat meat too, man.
Gotcha, bitch.
I just had some salad. Eeh. I mean, salad is fine, I guess, but yeah. YouTube is fine. Most story defense games have some sort of replay system in them. They do? Then that's fine. That's fine. Okay, so we have one event in the game. How about we make another event? Place hero. So in order to place a hero, we need the hero type ID and a vector to hero position. That would be for that event. Let's do that. Let's see. Oh, actually, that's the wrong location. Cakez, you just got $200. Order kebab? No. Why would I waste? Like, listen. Even if I had... I said this to my wife too. Even if I had, let's say, 10 million, I would never order kebab. Because it's too expensive. It's just... You might as well just toss away your money. I think that's... No, why would I do that? Maybe just like one-time occasion, right? But no, absolutely not. That's just wasting. Liar? No, I would not. It tastes good. It does, but it's too expensive. We'll see about that. No, I won't. No, I won't. Bro, I won't. Order pizza? It's the same thing. What are you talking about? Chat, you have to understand. Some things in life just gotten too expensive. And so you just have to stay away from them. I wish my wife had the same thought. She loves wasting money. Yeah, my wife too. I don't know what's about them, you know? How much is kebab? 7, 8 euros. 9 sometimes too. And then they tell you that they give you the double portion. You know what the double portion is? Literally the same. Maybe just one piece of meat more. It's like, it's gone. It's crazy right now. Yeah, so like, no. I wouldn't want to do that. 9 euros? Yeah. Whole 9 euros. It used to be 3, man. You remember the times when it was 3 euros? That was good times, man. I would get myself 2 for the price of less than 1 now. That was good times. You know, you remember the time we went to school and then in school break, you went over to the Döner Man and you got yourself 2. Man, that was great. And then you ate so much that in the next class you started sleeping. That's what happened. But it wasn't really important anyways, you know, it was just some boring school stuff. Okay, so we have this. Can hero be placed? So this is placing the hero. Spawn a hero. This is where we need to add another event. If game state, replay. If we are not replaying, then we want to make an event. Event. So what do we have here? What do we have? Did you see that? Time to put baby to work? Baby to work for what? No, I think that cooking for yourself is the best thing you can do. And then obviously sometimes you go out to eat, right? Of course, you go out to eat. But let's say with friends That's great and all. But for the majority, how do you say that? But in general, you should just cook for yourself. It's not only healthier, because you know what's in it, it's also much, much cheaper. And you can use the money for something else. Tick, game state? Tick counter. What's your favorite American song that most Americans are annoyed by? Oh, I know which one. I can't play it right now. I'll get demonetized on you. Wait, actually, let me mute YouTube. I mean, you kind of pay to win, so I might as well. A second. I'll disable YouTube songs for now. This one here. Wait, how do I search?
Gotcha, bitch.
Candrio to the place. Thank you very much for following. Hi. Big W, bro. Appreciate it. Alright, so now that we have this, we need to go into the switch on the event. How about you? This is gonna be a bit more difficult to do. But I think we can do it. We have everything we need. So we need to spawn a hero on the event.hero position and then event hero type ID. And we need the cost though. Okay, so then we need to store that in the event too. Most defense games have some sort of replay system in them. I think I read that already, and also it might not have updated. Sorry about this. Hey Cakez, how's it going? Hey my man, thanks for asking, bro. Good, good. We're getting very close to releasing the demo. I'm very happy about that. It's been 2 years, man, spent on this game. Actually, 3 years in total. But it was worth. I learned so much doing this. We're getting to the finish line and it feels really good. And it also makes me excited for a new game. I want to make a 3D game as well. That's gonna be great too.
Serious question here, Cakez.
Yes.
What road in Germany is breathtaking? Might want to visit Germany in the future. Been to Ireland back in 2018.
Gotcha, bitch.
Bro, I think you're asking the wrong person, brother. Roads out of Germany. I barely... which roads is worth taking? I think the best thing in Germany... Well, it's not even in Germany anymore. It's called Nordsee. The sea. And maybe the Winterberg in English. That would be great. Winterberg could be nice. Here, I'll show you. It's this one. So there's great mountains there. My parents have a small little hut there where we can stay for some time. And sometimes I go there with my friends. That's a great place to have some nice views. You know, enjoy the countryside. Wait, let's go back to the other playlist. I'm gonna give you guys... Let's use this playlist. I do campfire. Oh yeah, that's good. Let's not forget to add Spotify back into YouTube. You guys on YouTube didn't hear any music, did you? I hope not. Also, do I still have Bernard Mayer in here? I do. I have to remove this. Because Bernard Mayer... Oh, by the way, you guys remember when we went... when we talked about a video of mine on YouTube? Where I had to... How do you say that? A video of mine on YouTube got demonetized. Or I had to share revenue from the video with someone else that was supposedly the author of the Bernard Mayer, which was not the actual author. Since they didn't respond in 30 days, I got the revenue back. It was only $1, but it basically is... Now every video that has the Bernard Mayer in it, you have to challenge, and you will get the money back because they will not answer you. But still, man, it's kind of annoying. Also, it must be an automatic thing of YouTube. $1? $1, bro. What? Listen, man. Okay. Now, I'm logging the events to start the level and place a hero. Then we will save this event list. And then we'll load the event list again to see if it places the hero. And when that happens, we can extend this to anything. Watch. Oh my god, this is gonna be amazing. Should we do a poll? Should we do a prediction? Will this work? Chat, prediction? How many of you think this will work? 100% will work. Event log, binary. Pressed close. Pressed refund. Okay, bro. Fine. We're not gonna do a prediction. Come on, back. Oh my god! Oh my god! It works! Did you see that? I can now replay my game. Now you need speed controls, maybe? Yeah, speed controls will be very easy. Add auto-close console. Yeah, I should probably do that too. Load and play event log. That should be... Oh, how do I close the console then? Ooh, I don't know how to close the console. How do I close the console? Maybe needs to be a boolean. And a boolean returns me whether I should close the console or not. And by default, everything returns false to not close the console. But some of them return. Guys, it's fine. I'm not auto-closing the console. If it's hard skipped, yeah, let's just not do this. Cakez, did you make all the art in the game? I do, yeah. I did. Like 90%. 99%. See you. Oh yeah, I just forgot. There's a lot of why is it not transparent in the game? It's interesting. Sprites. Needs to be fully opaque. 90% all of it? 99%. This is all done by me. There's very little done by others. This is done by Hold on My Groin. Oops. This is done by Ninx. Yeah. That's it. It's 2 pieces. Oh no, wait. I'm wrong. This is done by I'm Emo. That was wrong. This was done by either I'm Emo or Hold My Groin, so this one too. This one is I'm Emo as well. And then the rest is done by me. I don't think there's anything else done by someone else. Oh no, wait, actually I'm wrong. This one was done by I'm Emo too. That one here. Really good helmet. So yeah, I'm Emo did a lot of stuff. Very nice. The cool enemy, yeah, it's quite big, but it's a really cool enemy. Replay the game, I wouldn't even want to play it once. Well, we'll see about that, you know. I will now be able to track your replays and then see where you guys get stuck. And so now we just need to think about... I've done this. We're done with this now, by the way, guys. This is done. So it took me about, let's say 2.5 hours to implement a replay system in the game that replays important events. So now I just need to make sure or think about what I want to replay. So for example, spending skill points should be replay. That should be replayed. Replay done, yeah. And then I need to create unions. You won't credit a single person. You're wrong. I will credit quite a few people. We are at 50% now. You mean 50% of this being implemented? Are you sure this is GDPR compliant? What is GDPR? Not the people from Itch though? I didn't take a single sprite from Itch, no. And when I take a sprite from Itch, I make sure that the sprite says I can use it freely without having to contribute, just because I might forget. And I will get in trouble. The red? I don't have to credit someone for the red, so no. General data protection regulation. EU data protection laws. Tracking in-game events is fine. I don't know what people are on about. Okay, yeah, thank you, Ramis. Yeah, so I hope that this is fine. GDPR is not going to be a problem. Okay, yeah, that's all I want. Because ultimately, I want to be able to have a replay system in the game. Cool. That's awesome. I wonder, is it still replaying? No. Probably have to close the game then, right? Make a new game. It doesn't store personally identifiable information, so it's fine. No, it doesn't. It just stores game events. So right now we are recording a playthrough. So what else? Open up skill tree, maybe? Open up skill tree should probably be one. And then spending skill points on it. Closing the skill tree should be an event. Yeah, should we open up and spend skill points? Should we add that too? Open skill tree, close skill tree. Yeah, let's do that. Because that's actually doable. You don't need open skill tree, just actions that affect gameplay. Spend skill point cakes. Yeah, I thought so. The reason I know that I can do it like that, the reason why I thought about doing this is so that I can track what the user does. So let's say they have the skill tree open for a long time, I can see that. If they spent, let's say, 10 minutes in the skill tree, I can see that. If I have just spent skill point, then the game is just gonna be paused or something. And I don't know what they're doing. No auto-clickers, no auto-clickers. I just want to test if this even works. It might be too fast, because the game is paused. The game is paused when this happens, so it will probably be instant. Boom, boom, boom. It will probably be 3 events at the same time. Poof, poof, poof. So it might just not work. We'll have to see. The game's pausing and that means it doesn't tick. You're merging two concepts, metrics and replay. You want to collect metrics / analytics, but that has something to do with replay cakes. Okay, fine. Let's not do this then. But I still need to allocate. Can node... Let's see. Can... be... No. Allocate... node? No. Display skill tree. Okay, fine. We won't do it then. If you guys are saying that this is not needed. Let's see then if...
Gotcha, bitch!
Mahlzeit. Mr. Breadfruit, good morning. Thank you very much for following. Marion, sorry. 1 hour ago he was implementing a keylogger. Yeah, I mean, I tested it. It didn't work. What is this, by the way? Padding X upgrades? Display item description? Glow? What is this function? Key pressed? Display item upgrade modal. I don't think I need that anymore. Draw notes. Wait, actually, I folded the draw notes. This is what we need to do. We are at 50% again, Cakes. What are you talking about? I think adding skills is more important than opening and closing. That's kind of irrelevant immo. Also, on the note of tutorial, you can just use the replay as a tutorial video.
Gotcha, bitch!
Yeah, but I want the player to experience. You see, it's an idea, but think about how you learn. Do you learn by watching a video or do you learn by doing something yourself? So I think watching a video is not only boring, but also the player will not learn anything. Let's see here. I need to allocate it. Can the node be allocated? Okay, so we did it. Oh god, okay. How do we do this then? Allocate node or level up node, I guess. But both of them, this is a unit, isn't it? Yes, so we just do level ++. True, yeah. Watching reacts is boring, finally it makes some sense. True, let's quit the stream and make a game. True. You should. Cakes, I hope this game is a success so that people will stop saying, look how successful Undertale was with terrible code, and switch to saying, look how successful Tangy TD was with awful code. Okay, bro. I will contribute with a Ligma implementation if you credit me. Okay, bro. Why would you build a replay system? I explained that 5 times today. Okay, so we do this then. If game state replay. If we are not replaying, then we do an event. So what do we need here? Probably hero type ID. We need to get the correct node. We need to set the node ID and the correct event. So that would be event allocate node. Well, allocate skill tree node, I guess. The thing is with this replay system, well, I guess that, yeah, I guess. I can't see when someone is stuck in the menu. So someone could be stuck in this menu for 10 days, and I can't see that. And they could be confused with this. So I don't really know how long they spent here. Who cares? Well, I mean, I cannot do, but okay. I could figure this out by logging the real time of the game. I could figure this out by getting a timestamp, but okay. I guess I will do it like this for now. Let's see, event. Allocate skill tree nodes. You're going down a bad path, all you have to do is a release. No, I want to test this. Okay. Now, how do we know which hero we are talking about? Because we need to store that. Hero name. Okay, so that would be hero.herotypeid. The position is not important. The cost could be reused. Kernel level anti-cheat is needed. That's a little bit overkill, don't you think? Release a closed beta and let them send you the replays? We'll see what I do. I don't know 100% yet. I thought about not releasing it to everyone at first, just to some people. And then after I've gotten some immediate feedback, then release it to more people. Thought about doing that, but we'll see if I do it or not. Because also, like, how would I evaluate, or how would I make a decision on who gets the demo and who doesn't? You know? So yeah. We need to know the skill tree and the node ID. So this is where we have to start using unions.
Gotcha,
Holy! Holy! Good morning, Mr. Low Level TV! Big W, thank you very much for the raid. Good morning. Hello, sirs.
Gotcha, bitch.
Guys, the smart people are here now. Good morning.
We got raided by the smart people. Sup, brother? Good morning. How's it going? What have you guys been doing? And Happy New Year's to everyone. Happy New Year's and Merry Christmas. Hope you had a wonderful few holiday days. I certainly had. It was nice.
Gotcha, bitch.
Yeah, they're hacking us now. Thank you guys for following. I appreciate that. We're currently building a replay system. You wanna see? Watch.
Gotcha, bitch.
Watch this.
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh yeah. We can replay the game, start from the beginning, and we can place heroes right now. We're currently extending this to allocating nodes and stuff like that. Everything in the game. It's really cool. Is this Bloons? This is heavily inspired by Bloons. Happy New Year, man. Good luck and fun. Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Hacking. That's awesome. What have you guys been hacking? To-do store level name? Yeah. Actually, I don't need to do that. I actually have the level name. I actually do. Should I fix this really quickly? We can do that. Bro. Huh? Store level. There you go. So that would be... I think it's a level? Name. Game stage?
Gotcha, bitch.
Level? Name? You're telling me you don't have a level name? No way. Hey. There's no way I don't store that. Oh, I know what to do. Yeah. It's game state, editor state. Level name. Yeah, there we go. So there it is, yeah. Because Rust is for edgelords. Ooh. You know, sir, I want to let you know something. I once read a comment on YouTube that was very heartfelt. The person wrote something like this. You know, I hate it. Everyone just keeps talking smack about Rust without them even trying the language once. If they would just try the language, they would know what great language Rust actually is. But all they do is bash the language without any reason. It was me? That was you? Maybe it was a comment on one of my videos. Was you? Really? No way. That would be so funny. Did you try Rust? No, absolutely not. I'll do a sub goal to try Rust, but no, man. I'm doing the same thing. I have heard that the Rust compiler is an asshole, so I don't know, man.
Gotcha, bitch.
So let's say you have a Karen in real life. Would you want to engage with another Karen in the form of a programming language compiler? I don't know about that, bro. We'll have to see. Yeah. So I don't know, man. I'm happy with C++, so I don't need to switch. Game.h? Oh yeah, of course. So that would be dot spawn data, maybe? We name that union. Wait, how does that work? No, we need to have a union with structs. Yeah, we're currently building an opaque event system.
Marketing. Steam Next Fest.
So for example, I can put the spawn data in here and then have it be the same.
Good game will sell nonetheless.
With the
money will come to you.
Skill tree data? Oops, no, that's not like that. This, and then that's the maybe node data? Skill tree. Rust devs are a bit sadistic from time to time. Yeah, they are. Hello AQ, good morning, bro. Hope you're doing good, my man. Use Swift. Swift is the language that you use to make apps, right? I tried it for like a couple of tries, but didn't get very far. Rust is nice, the async part though. Really? Well, we're gonna try Rust in the future, but only with like donation gold or something, because I tried Zig the other day and that wasn't great. I wasn't enjoying myself too much, and whenever I don't enjoy myself too much, my computer has to fear for its life. So, yeah. Okay, what do we need? We need a hero type ID in the node data. We need a node ID. What is the ID of a node? We have the event. Node, what type of ID do you have? Is it just an int? It's an int, okay. So the event has, oops, an int ID. What else? We need the ID, the hero type ID. Well, let's call it node data. No, node data ID should be fine. Once you're in, you cannot leave the cult. I don't know, bro. You tried Go, lol, Cakez? Go? No, because I don't have... like, you can make games in Go? Can you? Oh, danke. Mein Handy. Hallo. Hey, hallo. Baby. Süß. Meine Eltern kommen gleich. Ja. Wann? Aha, okay, so I just got told my parents will come soon. Great. I like being told like 5 minutes before. Awesome. We had a visit from the baby. You can make games in any language? True. Hi, buddy. Hello there, Dono. Good morning. Hope you're doing good, bro. Okay, so wait, we need the ID, and I think that's it. We get the skill tree, we allocate the node, bum. That's done. That's all we need. Okay. This is, by the way, for those that are smart, this is a tagged union. Correct? A tagged union? What is the tag here? Is it this? Because I don't know what tag means in the union. Like spawn data and node data? Use brain? What do you mean use brain? I did. I thought. And then we have node data dot... Wait, can I not do this? Do I have to do that?
Gotcha, bitch!
That's really ugly. But I have to. Huh? Yeah, miss. Yeah. My wife needs me for a second. Give me a second, guys. Yes, sir! Doch, das war schon mal so. Ja, ich auch. Ich auch. Ja. Nee, meine Heizung ist auch kalt. Ja, aber wir müssen noch mal was sagen. Okay. Ja, weiß ich Bescheid. Okay, danke. Warte, lass mich kurz auf. No, I need a W, you know? I need a big fan. Thank God I'm back. No!
Ekant.
It's good to see you. Pull up a chair by the
That was great. Oh. Hey, Cakez. Hello there, sir. Pretty much sums up Rust. Kinda weird how that guy asked Cakez why you pick C++ over Rust, ran away. Wait, where is it? Kinda weird. Why ran Rust, but ran away when the guy got asked why pick Rust over C++. Okay, bro. Alright, okay, so let's see. Node data, I think we have to do it like this, which is kind of annoying. I don't like it, but okay. Fine, node data, that should be fine, yeah. ID, and then the other one was...
Gotcha, bitch!
The other one was... The hero type ID, right? Hero type ID is hero.hero type ID. Okay, so now we are logging the next event. Kinda annoying to do it like this. But okay, fine. We have to do it here too. Let's dot... Wait, what? Where's this complaining? Of course, because event dot... I have to do it this way. Fine. By the way, did someone answer the question about this being a tagged union or not? Is this a tagged union? Was passiert? Hello, Kubelay. No, our heaters don't work. It's cold. Our heating doesn't work. It's completely cold. It's nothing... No heat emitting at all. And our water is cold too. And this is for the second time. Kind of annoying. If there's that kind of type field, it is. Okay. You have to use GPU to get heat. More GPU, yeah. I have to overheat my computer, yeah, then it works. Okay, we got it. Okay, guys. Next thing unlocked. Which means... we can now... oh, wait. We didn't add that to the... event log.events.add. Event. Set up Android Studio. I just love this, man. You know, I love this. It's awesome. Everyone thinks the same thing. I had to use it for my thesis in Bachelor Science. It's true. Okay, we have the event logs now, and then we need to switch on the event.id. And on the next event here is event allocate skill tree node. Then what do? We need to get the skill tree. Get skill tree. Tell me from a skill tree. Okay, so first we need to get a skill tree pointer. Is skill tree is the address of game state, save state dot skill trees. Aha, so I guess it's skill trees. Skill tree bundle? Huh? How do I get the correct skill tree? Skill tree, hero count, yeah. Where's that? Aha. It is just a lowercase skill tree bundle dot skill trees on event dot node data dot hero type ID. Now we have the skill tree. Then we supply that here, and then we need the node ID, which is event dot node data dot ID. Then a skill tree node. Skill tree node. Pointer. Node is this, and then if node. Then we do node level plus plus. Okay, we can now. Bro, what are you talking about? You want a skill tree? I'll give you a skill tree. Why are you complaining? I apologize, I didn't put a capital T. Oh, very hello. Hey Griven, thank you very much for following. The accent confuses me. Ist das Deutsch oder Südafrika? It's Deutsch. Okay, now that we have another event, since the data changed internally, we might have to replay another game. Okay, so now we should be able to... We need to have one more event and then we are golden. We need to have the start a round event. That's the last thing we need to do. It's very simple. There's not even any data that we need to do. All we need to do is game state, level state, dot state is level state running. And then we need to just log this event. So level state, no wait, dot state is level here. Speed button. If game state replay, if we don't replay, event start level. We add that to the game state. Events. Event log.events.add event. Okay, now we can replay the game, we just need to add the events to upgrade the units. And then we can replay the entire game, and we can even speed it up if we want to. We can speed it up 10 times. And this in 3 hours. We did this in like 3 hours of coding. An entire replay system. Let's see, play. Spawn hero, spawn hero. Press play. Well, we don't have speed up, do we? What if I do speed up? Wait a minute. When I click the speed button. Okay, so speed up I don't have. I want to place another hero and see if this works. 3 hours wasted? No, I think this is good. This is actually really useful information. Let's place another hero. And then play again. Wait, and then we do this. Then we get shield orbs. And then we do F3, save. Event log.binary. Load. Event log.binary. Damn it. God damn it. It didn't do that thing. Why? Just works? Yeah, just wait, bro. Just wait, okay? Huh? Why not? I pressed the space bar.
Gotcha, bitch.
I pressed the space bar. I did press the... Let's see, key, space.
Gotcha, bitch.
Hey, I didn't find that. Told you I've missed one place. Yeah, I kind of... See, this is what happens when you do terrible programming. You kind of have to put the same code in 2 places and it creates bugs. If I had a function that just says, I don't know, run the level, then we wouldn't have this issue. First try. God damn it. Okay, fine. Well, one more time. This time it will work, even with the abilities. 100%. This is at least a week more work if we want to use it in a practical way. No, don't say that, man. Don't say that. You should not say that, bro, because you don't know if it's actually going to be a week of work or if it's done right now. Because mostly everything that I need... Well, you're right, but yeah. You're right, actually, because I have a lot of events in the game. You're right. It was only 3 hours, so it's not big of a time loss, even if it's never used again. So I think it's fine to have it been made. Yeah, so this is, by the way, this is what game development is about anyways. You are going to test things that won't come into the final stage of development, but you still have to test it out if it works. Okay, let's save this. Save event log.binary, and then load event log.binary. Let's see if this works. Oh yeah. Place another hero, bro. Start the level, please. Start. Can you guys see the problem? Can you guys see the problem? Do you see the problem?
Gotcha, bitch!
This time it's gonna work though. For sure. Thank you very much for following, Nano. I appreciate that, bro. It's more Smurfs.
Gotcha, bitch!
3 hours wasted? I don't think it's wasted, Mr. Inukai. Absolutely not. The cat, thank you very much for following too, bro. I appreciate that. Now it will work. Watch. Just wait. What you guys are gonna do if it works? It's gonna be PogChamp moment. Just wait. Have trust, have faith, it will work. Ooh, we even dropped this one, the money. We get this here. We add the skill tree node. And then when this works, to control, we don't even need to do control. And then, oh yeah, and then we play. And then we do save. Yeah. Save. Event log, the binary. And then we do load. How does this even work? How did she even failed opening file? Yeah, I guess. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Why did it not complete the scripting event? Zoe, don't cry. Please. I do not understand what the problem is with this. Let's see. We definitely get this event, do we? Maybe it's just not the way I think it is. Chat wasted 3 hours watching. Okay, bro, you can take a 5-minute break because you wasted your time watching. I'll help you, bro. Yeah, it doesn't register the event. For some reason. It does not register this. It never happens here. I wonder what event we have here and when did that event happen. Start round, okay, and when did that event happen? Oh, I don't store the ticker. I'm stupid. Oh, I'm sorry. Start round. I'm dumb, man. I should probably have a tick counter. Sorry, not tick counter. I probably should have a function for this. So that whenever I add an event, it should just be called add event, and then that function makes sure that I supply the tick counter. Otherwise, I can forget the tick counter and the event won't work. Ja, ist gut, ich kann. Gib her. Baby! Baby! Mwah! Hallo! Hallo! You want a bottle? Here. It's a bottle for you. No. Don't show your game wishes, you will start oh, you want another person wants another break. That's fine. Here, 5 minutes. Hey. Yeah. Well, our Wohnung in English. Our flat is starting to get really cold, man. Actually really cold. Because outside it's really cold today. Zoe, I need to play this, you know, and then I need to save the replay. You understand? You can't just toss a bottle on here. You need to save the replay, Mr. Zoe. Hey, 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 hey. Ho, 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 ho. Mwah. Baby's like, let me play. Yeah, she's looking at the screen. Taking a look at what's happening, because it's moving so quickly. Okay, so now we're going to save that again. Say event log.binary. And then we load the event log. It's gonna work this time. It is going to work this time. 100%. Look at this, Zoe. The game is playing by itself. Oh, it's playing by itself.
Thank you, Pikachu's glitch, for 200 bits.
Oh,
Cheer
it works.
200 Zoe.
Oh, Mr. Pikachu, thank you so much. W Pikachu, guys. Thank you, bro. You could do it, streamer. Thank you. Yes, it works, guys. Look at this. And so right now, let's click on one of these. It did train the shield orbs, even though they were not level 2. The way they train shield orbs. Oh, man. Yeah. Süß? Yes, true. Big true. Let's test this again. I know what the problem was, which is the skill tree node thing. Yeah, but it's the event. Oof. Where's that? Here. No. Oof. It's a lot. Wait, it's so-called event. Ah, found it. Cool. I forgot the tick counter here too. Yeah, I need a function for this. It's bad. Game state. Dot. Tick counter. Comma. Mini cakes, yeah, mini cakes, true. Baby's got cold luck. Yeah, I think we're getting really close to the finish line. It needs to be fleshed out a little bit more, but any meaningful action in the game, like winning or losing or placing heroes, doing upgrades, I can now track. And then I can extend this over time. Cool. I'm very happy. Zoe is saying noob. She's not saying noob. But man, it's really cold in here and it's bad for the baby. Like for me and for my wife, that's fine. But for the baby, it's not good. She needs to be warm. We have to do something here. So guys, what should I do? Let's talk about this. I think this is interesting. And I want to know, those of you who live in Germany, when number one, when the heating is not happening very well, how do you say that? When heating is a problem and the house is so old that the isolation is very weak, that's on you, right? The landlord doesn't need to do anything because you are a Mieter in English, halt. You are the... How do you say that? When you live on... How do you say that in English, man? Yeah, renting, yeah. We are renting. Tenant. Yeah, thank you, guys. So, we are a tenant. And the house is very old. We Googled that. And basically, Google tells us that we don't have any rights to better isolation. We just have to make sure that we don't spend too much time heating up. Is that correct? Like for Germany. Speaking for Germany. Doesn't sound right, but I don't know about German laws. So we can heat, right? But the heating is lost to the walls mostly because they are not isolated very well. And the windows too. The windows are very badly isolated. Just purchase an electric oven and keep it in the baby room. In Norway, we let our baby sleep outside in big negatives. How do you do that? How do you let your baby sleep outside in big negatives? I had to join the Mieterschutzbund to resolve the issue with the landlord. It was 50 euros per month though. 50 euros per month for what? Heating? Insulated. Yeah, sorry, insulated. Yeah, not isolated, but insulated. Yeah, it's a different... In Germany we say isolieren, which is, if you take it by word, that's isolated. But isolated as being alone. Insulated, I mean, yeah. Thank you. Did I save this replay, by the way? Probably didn't, right? So yeah. We have to do something about this, cause if it keeps... Let's see if this works. Zoe, father forces you to implement mechanics blink twice to the okay, bro. Holy! Mr. Who Cares, thank you very much for $20. God damn, bro. Gotcha, dropping this because YouTube is better? Oh man, thank you so much for the incredible support. I have no words for you, bro. That's insane. Thank you so much for the incredible support. Big W for Who Cares, guys. I'm sure it's on the tenant for choosing an Altbau. Neubaus are better for that reason. Yeah, I know. It's probably on the tenant in Germany. Is it true that Germans believe that fresh air can cure any illness? Oh my god, it just works. It just replaced itself. You see this? It replaced itself. Yeah, I mean, it's really good. Fresh air. And by the way, Jeron, thank you very much for following. Baby will be fine. Babies have been cold for thousands of years. Just keep her wrapped up. There must be some kind of immediate assistance you have rights from your situation. Stoßlüften? Yeah, we do that. Stoßlüften. I'm pretty sure there needs to be a minimum amount of insulation, otherwise you'd be paying hundreds in gas costs, but probably you can't force them to install double-paned glass. Yeah, that's what I mean. The thing that they would need to get us is different windows, and I don't think we can force that. So we'll Zoe, you let the bottle fall down. Why did you do that? Why did you do that? You wanna have the bottle again? That's my microphone. You're trying to get now. My microphone, Zoe. Why you do that? Blah 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 blah. Here's your bottle. Okay, guys, we have the replay system done. I'm very happy. Lovely, yeah, it is actually. She is. Not it is, she is. Well, my brothers, I'm mostly done too. I didn't prepare a React today because I still have a lot of YouTube videos to do. So the no React Andys will be happy about it. I'm very happy that we did the replay system. We can add more replay stuff to the game now, like upgrading units. But I feel like we have done enough. It works. And now I just have to flesh out the replay system, add events whenever I need to. And then as we get closer to the demo, hopefully the replay system matures as well. Haboo, 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 boom, 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 boom. I'm thinking about adding the replay system to the save game too, so that it's tied to the save game, and then at some point the replay system just stops recording because you got too far into the game, and I'm happy. I think that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I'm trying to rate someone. Maybe you guys can give me some pointers, which one we could rate, who we could rate. Thank you guys for being on YouTube as well. Appreciate that a lot. Hope you had fun today. How accurate is the replay now in terms of game ticks? 100% accurate. 100%. Every tick. It's happening on the exact tick that it happened. So it doesn't matter which computer this plays on. It will be 100% accurate. No React Andes? No, I don't have anything prepared unless you have a really cool video we could watch right now. I'm just gonna... Yeah. I'm gonna prepare something more for next week. It's Friday, no more Cakez, Edge. Yeah, I would love to go longer too, but I have a lot of work to do still. And my parents are coming over in a second. Is Zoe allowed to watch Baby Shark? Or is she forced to watch Cakez Reacts? Okay, bro. Good luck with the heat situation. Thank you, thank you. Appreciate that. And thanks again, Mr. Low Level TV, for the raid. Appreciate that a lot. Mwah. Hope you guys had fun today. I don't see anyone to raid, so we'll just call it here. Bye-bye, guys. Thank you so much for the incredible support. It means a lot to me. We'll be online next week, Monday. Okay? Next week. You have a good day, everyone. Enjoy yourselves. And now I can't wave and click stop streaming at the same time, because otherwise Zoe will fall down. So I'll see you next week. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye-bye. Peace.